Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I had a few people asking me about this, so I decided to make a video on it. And basically, I'm going to show you a free way on how to convert different file formats to different file formats, right? So for example, if you had a case where you wanted to convert from a PDF file format to an image file format such as a PNG or a JPEG or a JPG file format, I'm going to show you how to do that. You may have had a case where you had to convert a PDF to an EPUB format. EPUB, which is EPUB, is an ebook format that's only available for Apple iOS devices. And there's other ebook formats such as, for example, Mobi, M-O-B-I, which is only available for Android or Android OS devices, right? And there's also a format of Kindle, which is Amazon, AMZ, I believe it is the file extension, where it's only available for Kindle devices, right? So how can you convert from PDF to Kindle, from PDF to an EPUB format, or let's say a PDF to a Word document format, which allows you to edit and make changes to the document, right? I'm going to show you here how to do that. Also, in many cases, you may have found or you may have came across a case where you want to convert from a different movie formats, right? For example, you want to convert from a WMV to a MP4 or an MKV, which is a high grade encryption video format, to an MP4, which is the very standard format now they use for video encryption, such as YouTube and others. So I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to use a different free tool. So let's go ahead and jump in. All right. Okay, guys. So the tool is called, I'm going to show you now. It's called Cloud Convert. And it's a free tool which allows you to be able to convert different file formats to different file formats. So let me just see here. All right, so this is a tool right here. So for example, let's see, just remove this. I was just testing this earlier. So here you have the different options of the different file formats that you want to convert from. You want to convert from your source file, whatever your file that you want to convert from, and to the destination file format. So you go from here and you choose what source file so you have all the different categories of file formats. So you've got the document, which you have document, Word documents, HTML. You've got the PDF and doc, which is the old Word format, and others, text-based, and like Notepad and others, right? And then you've got other document formats, which is, so in this case you have ebook, the ebook formats, right? This is Amazon. Then you have Amazon W3, which I believe it's a new version of Amazon Kindle. And you also have Mobi, which is normally only available on Android devices. And you've got, of course, PDP, which is the old format of Palm database, I believe it is. And then you've got also EPUB, which is supposed to be here somewhere. Or yeah, EPUB right here, right? So for example, if you had an old PDF, you want to convert it, you can, and so on. So let's take an example of how we can do this, right? So first one is you go and you choose your file. And let's say I'm going to do a conversion from a PDF file format into a PNG, for example, right? So I'm going to convert this from PDF into, so automatically this file is actually a PDF format. So I'm going to convert it into an image format. So I'm going to choose the image. I'm going to make it PNG, right? So here it will give you the conversion from PDF to PNG, convert to PNG. You have some settings here if you want to choose those settings. These are basically output format settings, which you can choose. For PNG and different image formats, it's really not that, you can increase the density if you want. You want to make it like 400 just to increase the clarity. Keep in mind that if you increase the pixel density, it's going to increase the file size, right? So I'm just going to keep it standard here. That's the standard base. And then you can hit OK. A lot of times, if you're converting different video formats, it will give you the settings options to change the resolution of the video, right? So you can do that here as well. So let's see. I'm going to do that here now. And then I'm going to hit convert. Okay. uploading the document. It's processing now, and it's going to start processing the document, and then it's going to start to convert it. And here's a preview of the actual conversion of the converted document, right? In PNG, or portable network graphics, right? So I'm going to download it now. I'm going to save it, right? Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and open it. Control J, and voila, right here. It's the PNG file which I downloaded, which I converted, and this is it right here. And you can see it's pretty clear and almost the same as the PDF document which I initially did, but now it becomes a PNG. Now the same thing is, if this was originally a PNG file or a JPEG file, you can actually convert it back into a PDF file, right? And it would help you maybe for conversion purposes or for sharing purposes, or if you want to sign a specific document and you can't use it for signing, let's say on a PNG, you won't have to convert to a PDF. You open it in your Adobe and then you'll be able to sign it. This is where a lot of these things are useful, right? A lot of time you get some PNG or images where you just have to, you can't really work with that, right? So, okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions about any of this file conversion stuff or different formats, please let me know. In the next video, I'm going to show a video on how to sign PDF documents for free. It's going to cost you absolutely nothing. A lot of those, a lot of applications out there now allow you to be able to sign documents, but you have to buy a license or so on. But I'm going to show you maybe 2 or 3 ways on how to sign PDF documents for free on different applications. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great and safe day.